Hello, I'm Jake Dyer with the Ball State University Fisher Center. In today's video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about Facebook chatbots and autoresponders and how they can help modernize your business and make you a little bit more efficient. The good news is that unless you're looking for something really specialized or complex, they will be fairly simple to set up. So even if you don't think that you're tech savvy, you'll still be able to create something that will be useful for you. That being said, chatbots are not going to be for every type of business, so before creating one, you'll want to consider your business model and the customer experience that you're looking to create. So here are a few example goals that we can accomplish through using a chatbot. We can save time in answering simple questions for our customers. We can standardize the customer experience when someone comes to our Facebook page. We can guarantee a 24/7 response time by always having a way to answer questions. And we can offer additional calls to action and increase traffic to our website or destination page. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. We'll start with the simplest option, which is going to be Facebook's built-in chatbot and autoresponder. Once you're logged into your Facebook page, you can go to Resources and Tools on the left bar. And then from here, if you haven't set up FAQs before, it'll have this bar for you to click on Setup. Now from here, you're going to get a lot more options that you can customize. The first one, Instant Reply, is going to be an instant autoresponder. So this is great for letting people know that you have received their message, and it can buy you some time if you're a small team that isn't able to constantly be monitoring incoming messages. It's also going to allow you to standardize your initial response to customers. Set that up, you just click Edit, and then you can choose the timing and also the message that you send out. Similarly, Away message is going to let your audience know that they can expect a delay in receiving a response. Set that up, again you would just hit Edit, and then you can set the time frame and also the message that they would receive. Now the FAQs is going to be one of the best potential time savers for your company here. If you understand your target market, you should be able to anticipate the most common questions that your customers will be asking. Here you can add in questions for your customers to choose from and receive an instant response from the Facebook chatbot. Here you just click Edit, and then you can choose the timing, and you can also choose your questions here. You could type in whatever you want. Like you could type in, where are you located? And then you put in whatever response you want. Now this is where you can also get creative. You're not just limited to answering basic questions like where is your business located at or what are your hours. You can also use this as a marketing opportunity to either market your events or get leads to your website. For example, if you click Add a Button, here you can click what action you want them to take, and then also put in a URL to your website or wherever else you might want to take them. Or for Add Attachment, maybe you have a flyer for an upcoming event, and you can just automatically send that information to people. As you're building your frequently asked questions menu, you can see a preview here on the right where it'll have all of the questions that you set up as previews, and this is basically what it'll look like whenever someone clicks the message button on your Facebook page. Once you're finished, just hit save, and you're ready to go. There's obviously a lot of content here on Facebook that you can customize to help out your business, and more than I have time to go over in this video. But if you're looking to have any other questions answered, or you just want to learn how to use different tools, there are a lot of resources here on Facebook where they will teach you. You can go to courses, and they have a lot of free options here that you can look for specific topics, and you can even get certified. Now the second option for chatbots are third-party chatbots, meaning that they are companies outside of Facebook that you can integrate with your Facebook page to create more customized user experiences. Now I do want to throw a quick disclaimer out there that Ball State University doesn't necessarily endorse Chatfuel, but for educational purposes I am going to use them today just because they're one of the more commonly used third-party chatbots. So that being said, if you go to chatfuel.com, you can log in. Now on your first time logging in, it's going to ask you to connect to a Facebook page. You're just going to be signing on through Facebook with that. So here you can add a blank bot. They do have some templates that you can choose from, and these are actually pretty good based on what you want to do. You're not just limited to chatbots. As you can see, they have Shopify options, WooCommerce. So if you're looking to sell things, this can be great for that too. But we're just going to look at chatbots for today. That way this video doesn't end up being an hour long. Once you've chosen your Facebook page that you want to add to your Chatfuel account, then you can connect that bot to the page, and you're all set. So once you've got a bot, if you click on it, this is going to take you into that specific bot. And as I said, with the templates, you're not just limited to chatbots specifically. You can create them so that they will reply to Facebook posts. You can share links to try and bring people to your bot if that's what you want to do. But we're just going to look at chat specifically today. So if we go to Flow, this takes you to a really nice visual representation of each step that your user is going to be looking at as they work through your chatbot options. In this example, I'm just going to create a quick bot that will help promote an upcoming emotional intelligence event that we're looking to host. So I'm just going to start by typing in a quick message that they would see when they first hit message on our Facebook page. And add button. Here I'm just going to paste in a link to our registration page. And you can also give your users multiple options. If you can anticipate maybe they won't want to follow the first action that you put in, and you want to put another text box in there, and you think maybe they were just looking for your regular website, maybe you would anticipate that and put something like that in, and then you could add a button in and put the link to your normal website. If you're adding multiple buttons in there or multiple options for your users, it might be helpful to make sure that you're adding a name just to try and keep their options straight. You might call that the website button, and maybe we would call this one the event button. And as your events pass, maybe you don't need this one anymore, and then you can just delete that whole text card altogether. Once you've got a flow set up for your chatbot that you're happy with, you'll go over here on the left to automate. And the first time you come here in this welcome message section, there will be a big block of default text, and you can either take that out or customize it, make it whatever you want for the first time that someone messages your page. That's what they would receive. If you leave it blank, it'll automatically go on to the next block that you set up. So I've already got test flow in here, but to do that, you just hit more, and then you'll get a bunch of different options here, and the one that I chose was redirect to block or flow. And then from there, if you had multiple flows, you could choose which one you specifically want. For this one, I just picked test flow. Since I've already got it in there, I'll just go ahead and delete this copy. And once you're done there, you can test your bot, and it's got both of those two components that we had in the test, so perfect. And we'll try one of those out. Just want to go to the website, and great, it takes us to the Ball State Fisher Center website. Test the other one out if someone's looking for our next event, and perfect, takes us right to our next registration page. Now, as I said in the beginning of this video, I don't think that chatbots are going to be the right solution for everyone. So if you ever change your mind and decide that chatbot's not right for your business, or you just want to change permissions, all you have to do is go back to your Facebook page, and then you'll go to your page settings. From here, if you go to advanced messaging, and then if you scroll down, you'll see Chatfuel in your connected apps. Here you can configure that. Go to business integrations. Here you'll see all apps that you've connected to your page. So you can view and edit it if you just want to change permissions, but you still want that app connected to your Facebook page, or you can check it and remove it. Again, this is just meant to be a brief introduction to chatbots and autoresponders for Facebook and through Chatfuel. So if you do have any questions, feel free to leave them here in the YouTube comments. Or if you go the Chatfuel route and you're having any issues with their services, they do have a pretty responsive customer support team, so you can reach out to them as well. That'll do it for today's video. Feel free to give us a subscribe, like, or follow on our social media channels. And good luck with your own. Hopefully this video is helpful, and we'll see you next time.